Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to introduce how to use your Pak Sao to jam your opponent and then apply counters to it. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and hit the bell to always. Thank you for your continued support. Jam your opponent's arm at the elbow. He pulls his arm back, swings around punch, Lap Sao, check, punch to the face. Pak Sao staying on the inside at the bicep, follow, elbow strike to the head. In this variation, I jam my opponent's elbow. This time he swings with the opposite arm. Release, Lap Sao at the forearm, punch to the face. Gan Sao to the outside. Check at the elbow. Palm strike to the jaw. In this variation, we jam the elbow. He swings with the opposite hand. Lap Sao at the elbow. Side palm to the neck. Hook the back of the neck and raise the wrist for leverage. Follow, knee strike to the face. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.